My name is Lindsay Rainwater, and I want to talk to you about some tangible tips that you can be using both inside and outside your health club to elevate the member experience and really enhance what's happening for your members when they're at your health club. So when you think about all the different technology trends and what's going on with your website and your Facebook page, and you see me blog about this quite often, but I asked the editors at Club Solutions magazine if I could bring you a vlog, because for me, video allows me to connect with you that much more. So I'm appreciating them allowing me to do so. I'm gonna keep this quick for you, and I hope that what I have to say today helps your member experience. So a couple of things that I'm gonna talk about is simplifying the way that you're approaching your technology plan so that it's easy for you to initiate, specifically in the realm of social. I also wanna chat with you about how video can be used on Twitter and what Gary Vee has to say about that. And then to wrap it up very quickly, just the powerful tool of video within Facebook. So first, if you're not already using a scheduling tool for your social media, I feel like that's one of the most impactful things that you can be doing, whether it's Hootsuite or Buffer or Ask Edgar or any of these tools that are out there that allow you to schedule your posts out ahead of time and then monitor the traction that you're getting. The majority of them are free. Yes, they're free, which is super cool. So check out those. And really, if you just Google scheduling tools, you're gonna come across a large variety of tools that you can use to schedule your posts. So that's one thing. The second is using video to interact. So one of the reasons that I'm doing this video with you today is to be more personable. So we're able to connect on a deeper level than via writing. Writing is such an incredible tool, and video is extremely powerful, especially with the attention spans we're all working with these days. So utilizing within your Twitter feed quick videos, reply to people. When someone joins your gym, ask for their Twitter handle, put them in a list so that you can keep track of them, shoot them a 5-second video. Hey Ted, we're so glad you joined our gym. Thanks for being a part of blah, blah, blah fitness. Let them know you care. That goes a long way. So video, little snips, very quick. It's very easy. And then in Facebook, so original content. So one of the things right now is when you take a YouTube clip and you pull it over into Facebook, the chances of that getting watched are there. And if you can upload an original video that you've created to your Facebook wall and give it a little boost, maybe put a couple of dollars behind the post from a like page standpoint, you're going to get a lot more traction. If you haven't noticed or not, when you scroll through your Facebook feed, videos are automatically populating and playing. So people, the chances of them stopping, clicking on that and playing the whole thing are very high. Whereas if they just see a picture and a link, the chances of them clicking a link goes down a little bit. Again, it goes back to the attention span thing. So to recap, video is highly powerful. Utilize it. Create a scheduler. It's very important to have a scheduler so that you have a way to track what's going out, when it's going out, and it helps you better utilize how you're using your social engagement and just get out there and have fun. It's really all about connecting with people and enjoying the experience along the way. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.